Hello students, I am Nabila Tariq. Today we'll discuss the third poem of your Beehive textbook, that is Rain on the Roof. In this poem, the poet actually expresses her emotions and feelings that she experiences while the raindrops falls on her roof during the night time. What she remembers, what are the memories that she recollects, what she thinks about herself, about her past, and about her present, her family, and her siblings. All that is described in this poem. Okay, let's start reading. When the sky is covered with dark clouds and it starts raining, have you ever listened to the patter of soft rain on the roof? What thoughts flashed through your mind as you heard this melody of nature? Read the poem to find out what the poet dreamt of while listening to the train. Now, over here, the poet is saying that when the sky is covered with dark clouds which are filled with rain, and then suddenly it starts raining, and we all hear the sound of the droplets falling on the ground, falling over our roofs. So, what is the first thought that comes to our mind when we hear this melody, this music, this natural music, that is the music of the rainfall? So, in this poem, we will describe the thoughts and the feelings and the emotions of the poet when she hears the rain falling. When the humid shadows hover over the starry spheres and the melancholy darkness gently weeps in rainy tears. Now, in this first paragraph, the poet is saying that humid shadows, over here, humid shadows refer to dark clouds filled with rain, filled with water. Shadows means dark clouds, and humid means filled with moisture, filled with water. When it's hover means when it surrounds, it covers the starry sphere. Now, starry sphere refers to stars filled sky, the sky which appears to be round when we see it by standing on the ground. When we stand on the ground and we look above, the sky above us appears to be round. Okay, it appears like it is a round circle, so that he calls it spheres. And starry means filled with stars, when the sky is filled with stars. And the melancholy darkness, now because it is the night time, so and whatever light that we find during the night time is because of the stars and the moon. Now when the dark clouds have filled the entire sky, we are not able to see the stars and nor the moon, so everything has become dark. Everything is like covered with melancholy darkness. Melancholy means sadness, gloominess. So it seems like everything has become dark and everything has become sad. Gently weeps in rainy tears, and suddenly we find that this atmosphere, this dark, sad atmosphere, starts crying in tears. Now, tears means actually the falling of raindrops. When the dark clouds cover the entire sky, everything becomes dark and everything becomes sad. It appears to us as everything is sad, and that time only it starts raining. What a bliss to press the pillow of the cottage chamber and lie listening to the patter of the soft rain over it. Okay, now the poet is saying it is a bliss, means it is a joyful moment that we are, whenever we hear the rain falling during the night time and the weather becomes quite cool, we all enjoy in our houses, we all lie on our beds and we enjoy the melody of the rain outside and we enjoy the cool weather, and we press ourselves against the pillow and feel that bliss, feel that joy within our hearts. In the same way, this poet also says that she actually feels very joyful and very delightful when she presses herself against the pillow in her house, that is called cottage, and she listens to the patter of the soft rain and she listens to the sound of the rain. Patter means the sounds of falling droplets. She listens to the sound which she can hear on falling on her roof. Now, second paragraph. Every tinkle on the shingles has an echo in the heart, and 1,000 dreamy fancies into busy being start. Now she's saying every tinkle. Tinkle is the sound of the falling droplets. Over here also the meaning is giving short light ringing sound. Tinkle means short small melody, a very short sound which is produced by any natural thing. So over here it means the sound that is the sound of the droplets falling on the roof, that is called tinkle. And shingles means the rectangular tiles kind of things that are placed above each other and which are there, which supports our roof. Actually the roof of the cottages are made in a triangular shape, and these triangular shapes are actually made by shingles, which are rectangular blocks which are placed above each other on the roof. And when water droplets falls on these shingles, this rectangular tiles, a tinkling sound comes. Tinkling sound means that short melodious sound comes from the falling of droplets, and that sound is referred as tinkle in this poem. And when the poet hears this tinkling sound of the raindrops, an echo, her heart starts echoing as if some memories are echoing in her heart. And 1,000 dreamy fancies, and she remembers those 1,000 dreams, those 1,000 fantasies that she dreamt in the past, or she's gone through some situations which were not fulfilled. Some unfulfilled desires of her life. All those desires and all those memories starts echoing in her heart, and at once she becomes busy remembering those days, remembering those memories, remembering those fantasies. And 1,000 recollections weave their air threads into roof, and she starts recollecting past memories. Thousand of past memories she starts recollecting one by one, just as if when we make a cloth, when we make a loom, a yard of cloth, we make it by weaving single tiny thin threads. Many threads we weave in a vertical and horizontal manner, then we get a wide yarn of cloth. So that is actually called weaving. Similarly, she weaves her memories one by one. She keeps weaving her memories. As I listen to the patter of the rain upon the roof, she keeps hearing the patter of the rain on the roof, and she keeps weaving the memories. She recollects the memories, the fantasies, the unfulfilled desires. Now, in memory comes my mother, as she used in years agone, to regard the darling dreamers ere she felt them till the dawn. Now, what she's thinking in her memories? In her memories, she's thinking about her mother. She's dreaming about her mother, who is no more, who is dead. And she thinks about darling dreamers. Now over here, darling dreamers are referred to her lovely beloved family and siblings. Siblings means brothers and sisters. So in this line, the third line, darling dreamers are referred to her brothers and sister and her family, whom she keeps dreaming of. Okay, and she kept thinking about them before the dawn, means till it was the dawn time. Dawn means till it was early morning, till it was the sunrise. She kept thinking about her family, about her mother, about her brother, sister, and her unfulfilled desires. Oh, I feel her fond look on me as I list to this refrain, which is played upon the shingles by the patter of the rain. Now, each time she hears the rain falling on her roof, each time she feels as if her mother is looking at her. So, this sound that is played by the pattering of the rain, this sound she calls it refrain. What is refrain over here? Refrain over here means the sound that she hears when the rain falls on the shingles. And actually, what is the meaning of refrain? Refrain's meaning is given in the glossary. It means a repeated part of the song or a poem, and hear the sound of the rain. means in actually this refrain means a part or few lines of a song or a poem which is repeated after every instance, after every paragraph, after every few lines. These 2 or 3 lines gets repeated. This mostly happens in poems also, and these happens in songs also. So the part which gets repeated is called refrain, and over here refrain means the sound of the rain. So whenever she is hearing this repeated sound of the rain falling on her roof, she is being reminded of her mother, like as if her mother is watching her. She is being reminded of her family, her siblings, and the memories. Okay, so over here quotes Kenny, who's the poet of this poem. She is actually expressing her emotions, her sentiments that she goes through when she hears the pattering sound of the rain. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Thank you.